If you're planning to work in the US in a seasonal or short term job next year, this update is crucial. From 1st January, US employers can begin filing applications under the H-2B visa program for temporary jobs starting 1st April 2026. But timing, caps, and rules are tight. And not every application makes it through. Before we delve into the details, let's take a quick break. The H-2B visa allows US employers to hire foreign workers for temporary non-agricultural jobs. These are usually seasonal or short-term roles. Common sectors include hospitality, landscaping, construction, and tourism-linked services. A worker can stay in the US for up to 3 years under this program. After that, they must leave the country and remain outside the US for at least 3 months before reapplying. So what's the selection process? For jobs starting 1st April 2026, applications filed between 1st January and 3rd January will not be reviewed on a first-come basis. Instead, the Office of Foreign Labour Certification will use a random selection process to decide the order in which these applications are reviewed. This system is meant to ensure fairness, especially when thousands of applications arrive at once. Applications will be rejected if they are filed before 1st January 2026. They may also be denied if authorities find that an employer has submitted multiple applications for the same job. In such cases, employers must prove that each application represents a genuine and separate job opening. Failure to do so could result in all related applications being dismissed. US law limits the H-2B program to 66,000 visas per financial year. 33,000 visas are for jobs starting between 1st October and 31st March, and 33,000 visas are for jobs starting between 1st April and 30th September. By September 2025, all visas for the first half of the 2026 financial year had already been exhausted. That means competition for the April to September window will be intense. For foreign workers, the H-2B program remains one of the few legal pathways into short-term US employment. So, if you're tracking US work visas, this filing window is a crucial moment. Stay informed, check timelines carefully, and for more such explainers, follow Business Standard.